Namaste. In all the ancient sciences, including Ayurveda, the basic components of this universe are the five elements or the Panchamahabhutas. They are one among the Dravyas, which is one of the six Padarthas. Let us try to understand what these Bhutas are and their states of existence in this video. Simply Ayurveda is an initiative to explore and share the concepts of the vast science of Ayurveda in an easy manner. Consider subscribing to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The term Bhuta is derived from Bhu Dhatu, which means to exist. Bhu Sattayam. Hence, Bhuta means something which exists. Panchamahabhutas are hence the five existing entities or the five components which constitute the basic structure of all existing things. Because of their importance in the existence of this universe, they are called the Mahabhutas. Let us now try to define the term Bhuta. Bahirindriya Grahya Vishesha Gunavatvam Bhutatvam. What characterizes a Bhuta is that it is associated with a Vishesha Guna or specific attribute which is Bahirendriya Grahya or that which can be perceived by the external sense faculties. As we discussed before, Bhutas are included in Dravyas, which is the foremost of all the Padarthas. Hence, Bhutas should also have the basic attributes of the Padarthas. The first attribute of a Padartha is Nyayatva or perceptibility. Humans carry out perception using the five senses, and naturally there will be one Dravya corresponding to each sense. The five Bhutas are enlisted as follows. Each of them are associated with one of the five gunas which are perceived by each of the five Indriyas. Mahabhutani kham vayur agnirapakshitistataha shabdas parshascha rupascha rasogandascha tadgunaha. Kham or Akasha to Shabda, Vayu to Sparsha, Agni to Rupa, Jala to Rasa, Prithvi to Gandha. Let us practically try to understand this. Consider that you are holding a bowl of gulab jamun. Since you are able to see it, it contains Agni Bhuta. You can also smell it. Hence, it contains Prithvi Bhuta. You can taste it, which means that it contains Jala Bhuta. It can also be touched, hence it contains Vayu Bhuta. Can you hear it? Well, not really, but we must understand that all the substances in the universe are made of all the five Bhutas, wherein they are dominated by one or two Bhutas, thus expressing a dominance of their gunas. In the above example, Akasha Bhuta is least dominant Bhuta and hence Shabdaguna is not perceived because of the limitations of our Indriyas. We will now try to understand the origin of Mahabhutas according to the different texts. According to Paramanuvada of Vaisheshika Darshana, the Bhutas are made of Paramanus, which are eternal. Hence, it can be concluded that the Bhutas are also eternal. As per Sankhya Darshana, the Panchabhutas are formed from the Pancha Tanmatras, as elaborated in the Srishti Utpatti Krama. Taittiriya Upanishad explains the origin of Bhutas as a part of the evolution of this universe. Tasmadva etasmad atmanaha akashaha sambhutaha akashad vayuhu vayoragnihi agnirapaha adbhyaha prithvi prithvyaha oshadayaha oshadibhyaha annam annat purushaha. The above sloka is depicted in this flowchart. Akasha evolves from Atma, Vayu from Akasha, Agni from Vayu, Jala from Agni, Prithvi from Jala, and Prithvi gives rise to plants and they produce Anna, which supports the Purusha. All the Mahabhutas except Akasha have two forms of existence, the Nitya Rupa or Karana Rupa and the Anitya Rupa or Karya Rupa. Nitya Rupa is eternal, which does not perish, and is the causal form which creates the grosser entities. The Karya Rupa is not eternal and are created from the Karana Rupa. They perish to return to Karana Rupa once they serve their purpose in this universe. The Karya Rupa is seen in three forms: Sharira, Indriya, and Vishaya. Akasha is Nitya and Vibhu, and hence are existent as a single entity. It is the most Sukshma, whereas Prithvi is the most Sthula Bhuta. We will understand further about the Panchamahabhutas in our future videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment your opinions. Consider subscribing to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates.